It's official. Japan is back at it again with two brand new KitKat flavors that are turning heads and teasing taste buds. These aren't your typical chocolate bars. Nestlé Japan has released two region-exclusive flavors that pay tribute to Osaka's local culture, and they might just be the must-have souvenirs of the season. First up, the unexpected combo. Pineapple candy meets KitKat. That's right. The new Pine Aim-flavored KitKat combines the famous pineapple hard candy, known and loved in Japan since 1951, with the crispy, chocolatey treat we all know. Powdered pineapple juice is mixed right into the wafers and the creamy filling, then wrapped in pineapple-flavored chocolate. It's tropical, it's tart, it's totally unique, and it's only available in the Kansai region where Osaka is located. This launch also celebrates the upcoming Osaka Expo 2025, introducing local flavors to visitors from around the globe. But that's not the only surprise in store. Kansai is also getting a fresh take on a classic, the Sakura KitKat. Unlike previous Sakura editions, this one features a gorgeous gradient of pinks, from white chocolate to rich Sakura tones, along the length of the bar. Inside, you'll find Sakura leaf powder blended into both the wafers and the cream, creating a consistent floral flavor that captures Japan's iconic cherry blossom season. Even the packaging is stunning, with images of Osaka Castle and Dotonbori printed inside and out. Both come in boxes of 10 and retail for under 1,300 yen. So if you're heading to Japan soon, don't forget to stop by the Kansai region, where the KitKats are as unforgettable as the views.